Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse and today I'm going to be making a lunch juice recipe. I have with me in the kitchen today the Kuvings B8000 model juicer. Now this is our entry level into the cold press juicing market, but it still has lots of great features. It has the whole fruit opening at the top so we can easily place the whole apple in. It still has the smart cap for releasing the juice without any dripping. And it has the lovely, sleek design that fits and looks really good on the kitchen bench. Okay, so let's make some juice. Celery has a long stringy fiber which runs down the spine of the celery. We need to chop that into little pieces. So with your celery, just run your knife through until they're about the width of your thumb. That way they'll easily go through the B8000 cold press juicer. With the celery leaves, it's your choice whether you juice them or not. They add a real bitterness to the juice. So if you don't like the bitter flavor, then leave the leaves out. So with the cucumber, we just want to chop it up into some big chunks so that they easily fit through into the machine. They're a really soft vegetable and very easily pressed. Okay, so we got some beautiful broccoli in this juice. Now, how many of us would sit down and eat a whole head of broccoli? But probably not too many, but we can juice it and get a really great flavor from it. So you want to go and just chop the florets off so that they easily fit into the juicer. And then of course we also want to juice the stem. So with this one, it's quite tough and quite woody. So I just need to do one cut straight down the middle of the broccoli, and then it can easily go through the juicing machine. Okay, with the apples, there's not really a lot of preparation. If they're small enough, they can fit straight into the machine. We can juice them whole in the B8000 cold press juicer. We do want to remove that little wooden stem, so you can just twist it off, make it really easy. Okay, so we've got all of our ingredients here ready to go. Look at all the green color. For the lunchtime juice, you want to get a lot of greens into the body, give you a lot of energy, alkalining the system, making it feel really healthy, good juice. I call this one ABC. It's nice and green. Put it into your bottle, take it for lunch, good to go.